How do you build a smokehouse for food preservation? Have you ever thought about how to preserve your food while embracing self-sufficient living? Building a smokehouse is a fantastic way to do just that. It aligns perfectly with libertarian values of personal responsibility and independence. Let's break down how you can create your own smokehouse for food preservation. First, understand the purpose of a smokehouse. It is designed to preserve food, especially meats, by exposing them to smoke. This process not only prevents spoilage but also adds a delicious flavor to your food. There are two main types of smoking: hot smoking and cold smoking. Hot smoking cooks the food while smoking it, usually at temperatures between 225 degrees Fahrenheit and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold smoking, however, is done at much lower temperatures, typically below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, without cooking the food. Now, let's talk about the materials you will need. Common materials include wood such as pine or cedar, metal for the roof and chimney, and concrete or brick for the foundation. For the frame, you can use 2x2 or 2x4 lumber for the walls and support beams. Make sure the structure is sturdy enough to withstand various weather conditions and provides good insulation. Proper ventilation is key to a successful smokehouse. You will need vents at both the bottom and top to control airflow and temperature. These vents should be adjustable to manage the smoke flow and prevent overheating. Additionally, a chimney or ducting system is necessary to direct smoke away from the smokehouse. This can be made from metal or aluminum and should include dampers to control airflow. Insulation is another important aspect. Line the interior with heavy-duty tin foil to ensure it is airtight and to prevent smoke from escaping. This will help maintain consistent temperatures and smoke levels. Building a smokehouse supports self-sufficient living by allowing you to preserve food without relying on external services. This aligns with libertarian ideals of independence and personal responsibility. Smoking meats is an effective preservation method, allowing you to store food for longer periods without refrigeration. This is especially useful if you have limited access to electricity or modern preservation methods. Once your smokehouse is built, it can be used repeatedly with minimal additional costs, making it a cost-effective way to preserve food over time. By taking control of your food supply and preservation methods, you reduce reliance on external systems. This approach supports local and sustainable practices, which resonate with libertarian values of personal freedom and responsibility. So, if you are looking to embrace self-sufficient living and take charge of your food preservation, building a smokehouse is a practical and rewarding project. It allows you to enjoy delicious smoked meats while living in line with your values of independence and personal responsibility.